Well, hello there, my beautiful YouTubers. This is Juju Sparkle Bean. Let's get ready with my Filipina makeup glam tutorial. Here I am. I have no makeup on, and we're going to go ahead and get this party started. So, I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair back here for you. And I like to get my hair out of my face before I start putting on my makeup. We're going to use my favorite primer. It's called the e.l.f. primer. And this one's called Lit from Within. You can get this from Ulta. You can also get it from your local drugstore. Next, I'm going to be using my foundation. The one that I'm using here is the Ulta Beauty HD Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. Natural finish, paraben free and oil free. I just put this over my face. I'm kind of doing a quick makeup application here. Usually I use a brush, but I just couldn't find it for this application. So I just went ahead and started using my fingers to cover the foundation on my face. So, blending, not so good, but I'm going to set it with my favorite banana powder using my Echo brush. Tap off that excess, brush it all over my face, on my cheeks, my nose, my T-zone where I get really oily. Like to go over that. Great powder for setting your makeup. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild. I like to use this Wet n Wild concealer, and it's a dual-ended contour stick actually, and it's great for contouring and highlighting. I'm just highlighting the areas right there which will illuminate in my T-zone, under my eyes. Smooth it out with my fingers. Sorry guys, I couldn't find my brush when I started filming, so I'm just going to smooth this over with my hands. Of course, I warmed up my fingers and just rub that all. Try to get as blended as possible, and this is what I'm doing here. So brush over again with my banana powder, trying to set that contour illumination there going. Alright, next, feel like I'm missing over here something, so let's go ahead, and before I do that, I am going to use my BH compact. Sorry you can't see it in the camera, but it's the BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush 6-color palette. I love this because it's really easy to work with. It's great for every skin tone, and the versatility is amazing. So I think I put a little too much. I look almost like a doll there, but I will even that out there for you in a moment. I don't usually wear that much blush. It's just really showing up quite a bit, so I'm taking a little bit off with my makeup wipe. So next, let's see what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes. And what I'm using here is on my eyebrows is some ready to wear Eyelux gel eyeliner, but I use it on my brows. The color that I'm using is black. I like to do that. It gives some a dramatic brow. And so that's the ready to wear New York. And next I'm going to go ahead and use some eye primer. The one that I like to use here is my MAC Prep and Prime. So I'm just prepping my eyelids. Next I'm going to use my favorite Kat Von D and Too Faced collaboration. This was great. This came out a few months ago. It's an eyeshadow palette created by Kat Von D and her friend from Too Faced. What a great collaboration. Jared, they both went in together and did a collaboration, and it's actually a shape of a heart. One side is Kat Von D's colors, and the other one is Jared's Too Faced palette. I find myself using the Kat Von D side more often, only because it just seems to really go really well with my color choices that I like to use on my eyes. I do use the other side too, But for this tutorial, I'm going to use the red eyeshadow from the Kat Von D side, and it's called Swoon. I really like this color because the color payoff is great. It's very vibrant. And now I'm going to use Jared's side, and I'm going to use the color that I'm using there is called Power Couple. It's a great transition shade. So I use it right above Swoon from Kat Von D. I'm going to put that over and just really blend that in, just so you can marry the two colors together so it looks seamless. All right. So next, I'm going to use my NYX black eyeliner. I'm just going to line my eyes. And sometimes I just don't want to use a gel liner, or if I don't want to use a liquid liner, I'll just use a pencil eyeliner, and the one that I like to use, the NYX black waterproof eyeliner that you can purchase from Ulta. It's a great eyeliner. It's also great for your waterline that I found. It's great. It doesn't run. At least for me, it doesn't run. And what I'll do is I'll set that sometimes with black eyeshadow, just so it really stays and it doesn't travel, and it really sets that eyeliner for you. It's just great. And I like to wing my eyeliner out to give that drama that we all like when we're trying to go for a glam look. All right. So I'm doing my lower lashes, or my lower waterline, and do the other side. Perfect. And there you go. Do both eyes. Make sure that they look even and they match. Just going to go in again and do the top. I like to also go under the eyelashes, because when you put on your false eyelashes, you just don't want any gaps to show up there. Perfect. All right. Again, I'm going to go into my Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to use the black eyeshadow that she has there on that palette. I'm just going to take some and tap off the excess. I'm just going to go ahead and set the eyeliner, and also I'm going to deepen the corners of my eye with the black shadow because it adds depth. You can see that. I'm going to go ahead and do it to the other eye so you can see the definition. You can still see the red popping through, but the black really opens up my eyes and adds some sort of definition and transition. So make sure you blend, of course. All right, looking good. All right, looks even. So next, we're going to go ahead and go in there with the eyeliner a little bit more. That looks really nice. Moving on. Curling the lashes. So curl both lashes. I like to use my MAC eyelash curler. And now I'm going to set my face with my e.l.f. powder, just to set my makeup and keep my face from being so shiny, which I do in my T-zone. So I'm going to pat that on there. Set the makeup, put it all over my face, trying to even out my skin tone. Next, let's line our lips. And this is my LA Girl lip liner in red. So I like to line my lips first before putting on my lipstick. My lips are really big, so I just want to make sure that I define my lips as well as I can before I place my lipstick on. Perfect. And then I'm going to apply the star of the show, my favorite. It's called Ciate, and it's the Glitter Flip Holographic Transforming Glitter Liquid Lipstick. And the color that I'm using for this look is called Scandal. I just cannot get over these liquid lipsticks, these glitter flip lipsticks for Ciate, I'm sorry, because they just aren't just regular liquid lipsticks. These are transforming in the sense, and you'll see once I press my lips together, after you let it dry, it's like you're wearing stars on your lips because the glitter just is amazing. It's so vibrant, it's so sparkly, it's eye-catching, and it's just perfect for going out. Or if you are bold and you like commanding attention with your lips, you're gonna love this brand. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my false eyelashes by Ardell here in a moment. Took my clips out of my hair. I'm gonna do my lashes now. Okay. All right. Where's my glue for my lashes? Oh, I didn't do that yet. I'm lining again, just really defining that wing on the corner on both sides. I love this look because it's so dramatic. Okay, so I'm just doing that. Got my hair down. Looks good. Loving this lip color, you guys. Now I'm gonna pop the lips with the glitter. Look at that. Look at that. It is so sparkly. And the more that you put your lips together and rub them together, your lips sparkle. So I'm pressing my lips together to really get that full effect of the glitter in that lipstick. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna put my lashes on, guys. It's the duo that I use for the glue. I'm using the Glam Wispies, or actually the double Glam eyelashes from Ardell that you could also get from Ulta. And what I'm doing here is I'm getting the liquid liner. Sorry, by the way, the liquid liner that I'm using is the Kat Von D liquid liner eyeliner. And I'm just going in between the lash line and where my lashes are, where they're, that way you don't have any glue that's showing. You're covering it with the eyeliner. I'm just going over that just to make sure that the glue doesn't show. Okay, here we are. Just making adjustments, making sure the lashes are on there nicely, attached well. Perfect. What do you think, guys? Looking good there. Push that up. Make sure you get your lashes in full effect. And there is the finished look. What do you think? All right, I'm going to set it again with my makeup. I'm going to set my makeup again with my e.l.f. powder. And I always have at least 2 of these. You can get it at Target too, but I love the silver compact. It just looks so pretty. You could also use it as a mirror. And to finish off my glam look, I'm going to put on my sparkly choker. And it really completes that look. Okay, guys. I know this is a very long makeup tutorial. Please bear with me. There you go. This is the look. I hope you like it. Getting down right here, you guys. I hope the makeup in the background wasn't too distracting. I'm just going to go in with my Laura Geller highlighter blush and just kind of pop my cheeks out a little bit with some highlighter blush action. There we go. Here we are. Here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoy this look. Different angles, looking up, my favorite. I'm just going to do a comb through my hair. And just make sure I don't have any flyaways. So, and if you're interested in what I use on my hair to make it so shiny, just let me know. Okay, here we go. This is it. I hope you like this video. And here it is. The winner of the handbag is... Congratulations, Sneha Saggurth. You're the winner of the handbag giveaway. Yay! So please get in touch with me, Sneha. That way I can mail your handbag to you. And I just want to extend a warm thank you to all my new subscribers to Juju Sparkle Bean. I cannot have done this without you guys. I love you all. Take care. Have a great day.